I go by the name of XVNWLF. We're filming for the 6th.
When I lost my grandma, I thought my heart might take a break. I've been working hard, trying to work away the pain.
Start recording.
I'm too busy trying to grind. Love up in my heart, but I got money on my mind. Push me to my limits, you know, want this kind of war. Knew you just begun, I'm trying to figure out what's in store. You could put me in the jungle and I bet you hear me roar. I've been opening up my soul so I can receive all the more. Waiting, 2 hearts, that's what it might take, so I'm not dating. Cold heart, put mine on the shelf, cause it's been hurt. But karma comes around, cause in the past I've been a jerk.
Don't get that.
How many things I acted out of past, I was treated like the dirt, and it hurt me to the core. Feel it in my body, I started reaching for the door. But trust me, I'm nobody that desires just to run away from love. I'm trying to stay, finally used to bring the party out. My heart told me God cannot forgive unless we fight it out. I'm not really asking if the man is really real. I'm just trying to ask him how a man should really feel. Broken, I was low, I had to scoop me off the ground. And my mother had to find a woman she lost to me now. I see what is real and sometimes that can weigh me down. Feed me, have to have them solid, I will always stand my ground. Booted, I was smoking every day, but lately I've been clear choosing me, I took a break. How me you will, I'm the calm amongst the storm. Roses still have thorns, proud you hear the horns. Winning is a must, I believe for everything I need. Put me on another struggle and I handle it with speed. If you want me, let me know, I don't know what my aunt can read. It's umami when I cook, I make an alkaline cuisine. Yeah.
Hey, you want to say something to stay uplifted? Stay uplifted. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't let nobody tell you that. Usually people say, if you want to do something in life, go ahead and chase it. But yeah, if you got something to chase, then if it's worth valuable, then yeah, go ahead and chase it.